Howdy folks, I'm Mama Cass and welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be making a card with this Distress Swirly Florals Distress stamp kit from Crafter's Companion. It's a lovely little kit. I've got a couple of the different ones of these and they are good fun. I'll be using my Distress oxides. I've just run these through my Gemini Junior with my rectangle dies to cut some mats and layers, and I'm using a ready-made card base in Centura Pearl. This is a nice, quick and simple card. So I'm using my stamp device to be able to layer my stamping, and I'm using Distress oxides in the blue, the green and the red. I'm going to do this background section first in the blue. That's the chipped sapphire. Do a second coat for the best coverage. I do love these distress oxide colours. Next set of stamps, just arrange them however you feel is good. We'll do the red ones next. The red is candied apple. And wipe off each stamp and put it back afterwards. Obviously the Distress oxides work quite well with the distress look of these stamp kits. Nice thing about using this We Are Memory Keepers stamping platform is that you can do a second coat if you don't feel like it's covered evenly enough, you know. Do each colour separately. Now we're going with our green colours, and the green is Lucky Clover. Now I'm placing my other little stamp. I hate it when they stick to your hands like this. It can be really hard to place stamps. Like, you can pretty much do anything you want with this. You just sort of fiddle around, see what you like, see how it does it. There's so many ways that you could use this and put them in different areas and that to make it look different, you know. Might have to do some videos where I do like lots of different ways of putting them together to make different styles. Yeah, it's a nice combination of colours this, but you could like imagine all the different colour combinations you could do, placing the stamps in different places and that. This hockey puck doodad thing that I made just by adding a bit of acetate on the bottom and foam, and it's really helpful to be able to put the pressure on because my hands just I can't use that much pressure with my hands. They're not very strong anymore. And then I'll go round the edges just to give a bit of definition to this. Using one of these lovely little blender brushes to bring it in a bit. Blending slightly all around the edges. That's better, isn't it? Surprising what a little bit of extra blending can add to the card. Really makes a difference, doesn't it? Now we'll do a little sentiment. Sentiment in red. Hopefully it will stand out nicely. On your special day. And I do a matte layer in silver and then cut the sentiment out with a smaller rectangle. You can use that with my mini. And these came with the same set as what my matting and layering rectangles. Like I've got a whole set, 2 whole sets that are, go through all of the sizes right down to tiny. And I'm going to add some dimension to my sentiment. I've got a little gem put on there as well, which I missed. Now let's start bringing the card together. Place the sentiment there. Nice little space just for it. And I'll use the tape, whatever you want to call it, tape dispenser, to add on the back of the layering and matting. Got a nice layer of silver and then the stamp design. Using my tape gun. I want to get a big tape gun because I'm going through these really quickly. I do like the Crafter's Companion ones. I truly hate trying to layer things because my hands are so shaky, especially where I'm on steroids at the moment. Always shaking. But yeah, I managed to get it straight. Layer on the stamp design. Do a little surgery on this sentiment, cut it down to put in the middle because I thought it was sweet and perfect for it. And then we'll add some gems for pretties. That's it for my card with this stamp set. What do you think? Tell me down below, please. Thank you for joining me, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.